Hello, this is Michael Robbins from Gimbal Logic with a demonstration of one of the many barcoding use cases that can be implemented in Salesforce using the Gimbal Barcode app. Many organizations have a need to record the assignment of a serialized asset to a particular customer or employee. For example, when installing a new furnace, the installer may need to scan the serial number of the furnace in order to record this in Salesforce. Similarly, the IT department may want to record the assignment of a laptop computer to a particular employee. In this video, we'll first use Salesforce and Gimbal Barcode to generate and print serialized barcode labels. After generating the serialized barcode labels and affixing the labels to individual physical assets, we'll then navigate to the detail page of a customer account in order to record the installation of the asset for that customer. Okay, let's get started. On the Assets tab, I've navigated to the All Assets list view, and I can select multiple records and print out either discrete labels or a matrix label sheet. Discrete labels are individual labels that are intended to be sent to a label printer. We can print these labels by clicking the print icon in the browser and selecting the label printer that is connected to the computer. We can also print out a matrix sheet of labels that includes multiple labels on a single 8.5 by 11 or A4 sheet of paper, similar to an Avery label sheet. And I've printed out a sheet like this and I have it sitting on my desk in front of me. Now I'm going to navigate to an individual account, the Burlington Textiles account, and I see that currently there are no assets under Burlington Textiles. I click the button to install assets, and using the USB barcode scanner that is plugged into my computer, I'm going to scan one of the barcodes that we printed out just a moment ago. And I'll scan another one, and a third one, and we see that every time a barcode is scanned, not only does the serial number appear in this list, but also behind the modal dialog, the assets related list has refreshed, and now those assets look up to this account. The same functionality is available on the mobile device. On the mobile device, if I navigate to the Accounts tab and select Burlington Textiles, I'll see the same quick action for Install Assets. There are my 3 assets belonging to this account, and I can click the blue button to scan barcodes using the camera of the mobile device. So that's printing and scanning serialized barcode asset labels in order to install assets at a customer account. If you have questions about anything that you've seen in this demonstration, or if your organization has requirements that differ from what you've seen, or if you'd just like to discuss next steps in order to implement a similar solution, please contact us at solutions@gimballogic.com.